What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. In this review, I have probably the cheapest shotgun mic that you can find on Amazon. This is called the Meike, it says camera recording microphone. And on this microphone, you can adjust your sensitivity and yeah, a whole bunch of stuff that you can do on this microphone. Oh, and it comes with its own batteries. It's not that big and it's not as small as the Rode. Set your adjustments. Okay, you guys, so right here is the on and off switch. Right here is the sensitivity enhancement switch. So you can go 0 dB and to 10 dB plus 10 dB. Okay. Over here is your low cut switch. All right. If you want it on a normal, if you want to keep it normal, you go right here to the flat part, and then for switching on low cut, you could go down to right here. All right. This little light part right there is supposed to be your battery indicator. And then on the side right here, this is your battery holder. They gave us 2 AAAs, but it looks like it's only one that goes in here, so I will let y'all know. All right, we're gonna put the battery in there and it comes right on. It takes 1 battery. They give you 2. Obviously, every time batteries come with a product, it's usually the cheaper batteries, so make sure you just have some good batteries on hand. I actually like the feel of this. It don't feel cheap. Well, to me, you know, I'm not the electronic geek or nerd, but I do like electronics. Well, I am an electronic nerd, but not a super nerd. All right, right here you have your filter. All right, you guys, I'm about to hook this up right now. All right, now obviously I can't tell the difference because I am obviously recording it. But y'all let me know if y'all can tell the difference, and also I will figure it out on the edit. All right, so right here you go from 0 dB and then it goes to 10 dB. There is no in between from what I can do. So 0 dB, 10 dB. Okay, now we'll leave it on 10 dB for right now, and then you have your low pass filter, and then we have it on right now. So y'all let me know if y'all could tell a difference. I'll take a photo of it on the camera so y'all can see what it looks like on the camera. This is very sleek. It's not like, you know, many other designs. I actually like the squareness of it. Yeah, so that's about it. I want y'all to hear the sound difference while I actually have the mic on, and then I'll unplug it so y'all can actually hear the sound difference. I'm gonna take it back off again just so y'all can get a clear ear out on what's going on with this product. So I'll put it back in and y'all let me know how y'all like the sound quality. If this sound quality fits you, then $25 you can have yourself a great mic. All right, and back to the video, or I don't know, I might plug this at the end. So like, comment, and please subscribe. Okay, you guys, so right now we got the Meike mic. This is the cheapest mic on Amazon, $25 right now. I got my wife behind the mic. I'm walking back, and we are going to see if adding 10 dB makes a difference as far as turning up the volume of the mic. Right now I'm about 10 foot away and about 8 to 10 foot. Right now she just turned the dB up 10 dB. So y'all let me know if y'all hear a difference. Of course I will hear the difference if I'm doing the editing, so I can't tell right now. So that is the end of this review. Right now my wife gonna turn it back on the on mode or turn the dB off, and now it's back in the regular mic. So let me know if you like the quality of this mic. Like, comment, and please subscribe.